Good morning, everybody. I'm Ryan Gilkerson, lead creative here at Company 119, and this is another episode of Company 119's The Coffee Cup. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about chatbots. We've talked about chatbots off and on throughout the course of the show, and a little bit about what we do. Normally, when we talk about chatbots, I usually talk about their application as a customer service piece, where you can actually have virtual assistants chatting about thousands of topics for people so that when they have questions for you in your inbox on your business site or on your social media, you don't have to respond to everybody directly. And it's like having someone there 24/7 to answer questions to make sure that all of your customers or all of your leads that come to your site are taken care of without you having to actually respond to everybody. Well, I've got an article that comes to me today from the media. My virtual assistant chat is here. Virtual assistant chat, you show the article. This is from a website called The Medium. And The Medium talks about 11 interesting examples of how people are using chatbots. And I just thought it was kind of cool to maybe look at some other creative ways that people are using chatbots. So the first one they talk about, believe it or not, chatbots are now helping people order pizza. Domino's was one of the original pizza companies that got in on the early end of using chatbots. Now you can call, you can text, you can even tweet your order to them, and they will build your pizza using a chatbot that goes through the steps of building the pizza and make sure that that's delivered to you. So who would have thought, just a few years ago that something like ordering a pizza with all the different options that you have could be handled by a virtual assistant or a chatbot. Product suggestions. I think this is really cool. There's a lot of different websites that enable you to go down, through some different selections and guide you through the process of buying shoes. And H&M even has a chatbot where if you show them a shirt that you have, they'll put the rest of your outfit together. So it's more than just shoes and outfits. There's so many different people that if you show them one bit of what you have, one part of whatever you need, it will tell you the rest. There's manufacturing companies doing this right now where you tell them one part that you have and they will build the rest of your order around that one part. So that's a really cool way to use it. Customer support, of course, we've got many companies using it. Airbnb, Evernote, and Spotify are just a few that when you go to visit them, a little virtual assistant pops up and you're actually talking to the chatbot in terms of finding out what's going on with your customer service scenario. Weather, this one's really cool. There's a lot of chatbots that you can ask if you should bring an umbrella today. Should you wear boots today? Should you bundle up today? There's chatbots you can simply ask those questions that will walk you through the weather and give you suggestions on how to respond to the weather today in your area. It's really cool. It's like having a personal weather assistant. Personal finance assistants. Now, a lot of people are reluctant to talk with all the security breaches and things that have gone on with social media platforms especially. There's a lot of people that are reluctant about doing anything with finances online. Well, there are chatbots that can help you handle your finances, and they can do everything from making trades with your portfolio to helping you align your portfolio with your best interests to help you optimize the money that you can make from your trading. So there's chatbots that can work as your personal finance advisor right online. Schedule a meeting. This is really cool. A lot of people are using, our lives are so programmed right now, and there's so many different software platforms that will help you align everything. Slack actually has a chatbot that will help you coordinate your schedule with the schedule of others to make sure that you have meetings that will align at the same time. So you don't have to worry about what everyone else's schedule is. Slack will just help you find the best time to get together. It makes it a lot easier. You can search for and track flights with chatbots. So you can actually go online. Kayak has a chatbot that lets you book your flights and hotels completely within Messenger. So you never have to leave Facebook Messenger to book through Kayak. And then there's other chatbots where you can say, hey, will you track this flight for me? Where is this flight? What time is it going to land? Are there any delays? All through chatbots taken care of for you. News, of course, CNN, Fox News, The Guardian, they have chatbots that help you find news. You can get tech headlines, whatever you might want to search for using chatbots. Find love. Who would have thought that you could have a robot predicting your love life, telling you which way to go, who to talk to, who not to talk to. There's chatbots out right now. There's a website called Foxy that helps you find a date that will go through and match your criteria to someone else's criteria, fit your mixes and matches, find out where you have synergy together, and they will tell you who would be a good date for you and who wouldn't be. Of course, with PayPal, all sorts of different money sending services. Chatbots are helping us send money to each other without even thinking about it. All you have to do in most cases is put an @ and a username or put in an email address, and a chatbot is actually what is behind the scenes helping you send your money from one person to the other so simply. Who would have ever thought it'd be that easy to send money to somebody? And then also finding a restaurant. Finally, you can go online, tell a chatbot what you'd like to eat, where you're at, that type of thing, and a chatbot will go out and help you find the perfect restaurant, set the reservation, and even get you directions to make sure that you know where you're going. So there's 11 ways right there that companies have found to use chatbots to do something that a human used to have to do. It used to have to be somebody live on the other end, picking up a phone, walking through all of these things and finding this information for you, or somebody had to be online as a human being behind the scenes, emailing, messaging, going back and forth with somebody to set up all of these plans. Now there's chatbots in place to make it easy. How can a chatbot help you? There's so many ways to be creative using chatbots to take some of that pressure off of you. If you're handling a small business and you've got all these different things that are falling into your lap, a chatbot might be able to help take some of those off. There's chatbot plugins that you can use through all the different website design software platforms that will make it really easy for you to take care of a lot of these mundane tasks so you can get back to making money. So we hope that you've learned more this morning about chatbots before you finish your first cup of coffee than your competition will all day. And we thank you for joining us on the Coffee Cup.